Best Tech of 2025? This video reveals the top 5 gadgets you absolutely need. From groundbreaking wearables to stunning displays, prepare to be amazed. Want to get your hands on these incredible gadgets? Check out the links in the description below for the best deals. Number 1. The Apple Watch Ultra 2 redefines rugged smartwatches, pushing the limits of durability and performance. Its enhanced features make it the ultimate adventure companion. Number 2. Experience unparalleled sound quality with the Sony WH-1000XM5 wireless headphones, offering industry-leading noise cancellation and immersive audio. These headphones are a must-have for music lovers. Number 3. Immerse yourself in breathtaking visuals with the Samsung S9 5C QD-OLED TV. This TV delivers stunning picture quality and vibrant colors, redefining your home entertainment experience. Number 4. Capture breathtaking aerial footage with the DJI Mini 3 Pro drone, a compact powerhouse packed with advanced features. This drone is perfect for capturing stunning photos and videos from above. Number 5. The Google Pixel 8 Pro sets a new standard for smartphone photography and performance. This phone offers cutting-edge features and a sleek design, making it the ultimate all-around device. Don't miss out on these game-changing tech marvels. Click the links below to explore further and grab yours today. From premium headphones to cutting-edge smartphones, this list has something for every tech enthusiast. Upgrade your tech game in 2025 with these must-have gadgets.